When you are on your home page, hover over to the username and click on the option of Create a Gig. However, if you are a new seller, you will see an option of Start Selling instead. You will be directed to the page where you can fill in your gig title. Remember to optimize your gig title. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to type Create a Flat Logo for you. Then, click on the drop-down menu and select the category of your gig. Once you've selected the category, another drop-down menu for you to choose a subcategory will pop up. Pick the subcategory and move on. Upload your cover photo. This will be the photo that will represent your gig. It will show up on top of the gig page. Then, move on to the gig gallery. Think of it as a showcase of your work and select a few of them to upload. I'll upload a picture for demonstration purposes. When you scroll down further, you can edit your gig description here. You can then edit your gig metadata and tags here. Last but not least, select your delivery time. Click on the drop-down menu and select the time that you need to deliver the work. Once you're done, click on Save and Continue. You will then be led to the pricing page. The first part you'll see is the pricing for your basic gig. By default, it will be $5. You can edit your delivery time and do any revisions here. Click on the drop-down menu and customize it. When you scroll down further, you can edit your gig extras. You can only add 2 gig extras if you are a new seller on Fiverr. In this case, I will not add the gig extras. If your service requires physical shipping and you will need to charge extra for the shipping, you can select it here and state the fee for it. And once you're done, click on Save and Continue. The next part that you will need to edit is the video. You can now upload a video to present your service on Fiverr. It is highly recommended for you to promote your gig with a video because they help to sell by 220% more. And once you're done, click on Save and Continue. Then you will be redirected to the requirement page. This is a page for you to tell your buyers what you will need to get started on the work. Click on Save and Continue. Finally, you will be directed to the Publish page. Click on Publish Gig to do so. And there you go. You've just created your first gig.